Mutual fund. Mutual fund is a type of collecting fund from the publics like shares and debentures, but mutual fund is collecting with the help of some companies or through agencies. It's called as what? Mutual fund companies, we will tell. Okay. So mutual fund companies, the main aim is they'll collect a fund from the investors, and they are not investing into only one specific company. They are investing into different types of companies. So the benefit of the investor is investors loss will be very less. That is, investors if any one company they lose the money, it will not affect much to the investors. Okay, so that is this pool. So mutual fund is nothing but it is a pooling fund from the investors, and the price of the mutual fund is called as net asset value. So net asset value is always fixed by the according to the company's aspects, that expenditures and liabilities, all these things included on the basis of net asset value and the market value. All these things can be calculated in this way. Mutual fund. Next is how mutual fund works. The mutual fund is both investment and actual company. It is an association or organization body of individuals, whether incorporated or not, established for the purpose of assisting, regulating and controlling business in buying, selling and dealing in securities. Investors earn the return from mutual fund in three ways, that is income earned from dividend and interest on bonds and the portfolio. Next is what? Capital gain. Types of mutual funds. First one, equity fund. Under this scheme, the principal investment in stock, large capital, small capital and mid-term capital funds. So the features of the equity funds are fixed income fund, index fund, balanced fund, money market fund, income funds, international global funds, specialty funds, exchange trading funds, or ETF it's called. Next, open-ended and closed-ended funds. Open-ended fund, in the sense, the mutual fund scheme is which investors are allowed to enter throughout the year. That is, the investor he can purchase throughout the year. There is no time limit, so it is called as open-ended. Closed-ended, in the sense, there is a fixed time, from this time to this time. After that expiry date, they cannot purchase a mutual fund. It is called closed-ended scheme. So a closed-ended scheme is a fixed tenure and the maturity date. The units of the closed-ended scheme can be redeemed only on maturity. That actively managed or passively managed funds. Actively managed fund, in the sense, it is an active fund. The fund managers aim to generate maximum returns and output perform the scheme's benchmark. The fund manager actively manages the portfolio and continuously monitor the fund portfolio. It is called as what? Actively managed. That is, the fund manager is actively working for the portfolio is called as what? Active managed. Passive managed, in the sense, it is a follow of a market index. According to the market index that mutual fund is fluctuating, it is called passively managed. Highlights and mutual fund investment. Systematic investment plan, it's called SIP, which is the investor allowed to invest continuously. So SIP will allow the investor invest in continuously. Open-ended and closed-ended can be at any time. Open-ended scheme can be entered any time. Mutual fund in India can be permitted to security, gold and real estate. Mutual fund are schemed on payment 10% of LTCG, long-term capital gain, and 15% of short-term capital gain. The investors of equity-oriented mutual fund would receive tax-free dividend and would also not incur any tax on dividend distribution. Advantages of mutual fund. Mutual fund is on offer excellent. It is a retail investors. It is the investors can participate at any time and to increase their capital, and also it helps to capital market debt securities and enables to small investors to limited means, and it is expertise to professional fund managers, and the tax benefit is also there for under section 80C 80. Next is benefits of diversification is possible. And liquidity in open-ended scheme investor free to sell the scheme, he can get back the amount in 3 working days. Disadvantages of mutual fund: cost. The mutual fund costs are high cost, and through the diversified portfolio, mutual fund is ensure risk-free return. It is a risk-free return.